1. ATM. Japan is still very much a cash-based country, and the easiest place for travelers to get yen is right inside a convenience store. Convenience store ATMs accept foreign cards. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Union Pay, all of them work. The most reliable option is the 7-bank ATM, found inside every 7-Eleven. It supports cards from over 100 countries and has a full English interface. The process is simple. Insert your card, select English, then choose Withdrawal. Enter the amount you want, then your PIN. Your cash and card come out separately, so make sure you take both. One thing to keep in mind, you may be charged a fee, but this is not a fee from the convenience store. It's an international transaction fee charged by your own bank. Check with your bank before you travel. One more thing. You can also charge your Suica card with cash at the convenience store register. Withdraw your cash from the ATM, then charge your Suica right at the register. Take care of both in one stop. 2. Self-checkout. Self-checkout registers are becoming more and more common at Japanese convenience stores. Since you don't need to talk to a staff member, it's perfect if you're worried about the language barrier. It's easy to use. Scan the barcode on each item, and when you're done, proceed to payment. You can pay with cash, credit card, or electronic money. One thing to watch out for: if you're buying alcohol, an age verification screen will appear. It's simply confirming that you are 20 years of age or older, so just tap the button and you're good to go. Note that cigarettes cannot be purchased at the self-checkout. For cigarettes, head to a staffed register. Each cigarette brand has a number displayed on the case, so just tell the staff member that number. It's only a number, so saying it slowly in English will get the message across just fine. 3. Copying and printing. Japanese convenience stores have multifunction copy machines, and during your trip, these turn out to be surprisingly useful. The most common use is making copies. If you need a copy of your passport, just head to the nearest convenience store and it's sorted in minutes. Copies cost around 10 yen per page. You can also print documents saved on your phone, boarding passes, hotel reservation confirmations, anything you need. Just download the app, connect to the machine, and print. Use NetPrint for 7-Eleven or Print Smash for Family Mart and Lawson, but it doesn't stop at copying and printing. You can also scan documents and save them directly to your phone. Perfect for when you receive an important piece of paper during your trip and want to keep a digital copy. Some machines even let you take ID photos. If you suddenly need a passport photo for a visa application or any other purpose, the convenience store has you covered. The machines also support English display, so navigating the process shouldn't be a problem. 4. Eat-in space. Many convenience stores have eat-in spaces where you can sit down and enjoy what you've just bought. With tables and chairs available, you can eat right away. It's especially handy when you've bought something hot, when you're carrying too much to eat while walking, or when you just need a place to rest on a rainy day. The size of the space varies by store. Larger locations may have 10 or more seats, while smaller stores may not have one at all. Look for a sign near the entrance that says, "Itoin." That means eat-in is available. One thing to note, if you plan to use the eat-in space, you need to let the cashier know at the time of purchase. Tell the staff at the register, or select the eat-in option at the self-checkout. This comes down to consumption tax. In Japan, takeout is taxed at 8%, but eating in is taxed at 10%, which is why you need to declare it at the register. The space is free to use, but it's meant for food purchased in the store. Outside food is not allowed. Also, mornings and lunchtimes tend to get busy, so if you have flexibility, it's worth timing your visit accordingly. 5. Sending and receiving packages. You can also send and receive packages at Japanese convenience stores. For travelers, this is a far more useful service than you might expect. Let's start with sending. If you've bought too much during your trip and your suitcase is overflowing, just ship the extra luggage to the airport from a convenience store. On your last day, you can sightsee without carrying anything, then head straight to the airport. Or you can ship your luggage from the airport to your hotel upon arrival, so you can start exploring the moment you check in. Major delivery companies like Yamato Transport and Sagawa Express are supported. Just tell the staff you'd like to send a package, and they'll walk you through the process. Even if English doesn't get through, showing the address on a piece of paper or your phone screen is usually enough. Now for receiving. You can also have online shopping deliveries sent directly to a convenience store. Hotels sometimes refuse to accept deliveries on your behalf, but a convenience store pickup is reliable. If you're planning to do any online shopping during your stay in Japan, this is the way to go. 6. Buying tickets. You can also buy tickets at convenience stores. If you want to enjoy more than just sightseeing during your trip, this is a service worth knowing about. Concerts, sports events, theme parks, and even Shinkansen tickets. A wide range of tickets can be purchased and printed at convenience stores. Use 7-Ticket at 7-Eleven, Famaport at Family Mart, or L-Code at Lawson. The process is simple. Book your tickets in advance through the official website or app, and you'll receive a ticket number. Then just enter that number into the multifunction machine at the convenience store, and your ticket prints out on the spot. Many popular events and attractions require advance booking. If you already know what you want to see before your trip, book online before you arrive in Japan, then pick up your tickets at a convenience store as soon as you get there. So, what did you think? Convenience stores are far more than just a place to grab a snack. They're a reliable base that can make your trip to Japan so much smoother. Make the most of them. Earst Japan will continue bringing you the charm of Japan and the latest travel information. See you again in the next video. Bye! See you!